Today we're going to be taking a look at a leather MagSafe wallet that I actually think is better than Apple's MagSafe wallet. Now, we all know Apple has always made the leather MagSafe wallet, but recently they discontinued that to make the fine woven, which personally I am not a fan of fine woven whatsoever, but this was the Apple leather MagSafe wallet. You guys have seen it in all my videos with all my MagSafe testing. This is the original one, but today we are looking at Andar's the Mag wallet. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now, huge shout out to Andar for sending this over to me to review for you guys. So looking at the front of it, it does show a picture of the wallet, just a little outline, and it says Andar the Mag. On the back, it just says black. This is the black version, and it comes in a bunch of different colors, just like all of Andar's cases, but we'll talk about that here shortly. Now, this is pretty much it. This is all the packaging that you get. So what you have to do here is just carefully kind of open that up right there, and you are greeted with the MagSafe wallet in this nice little carrying bag. I like that. And right here we have a thank you card from Andar. This is basically just, what's included in all their products, just to show their appreciation for you guys. And by the way, here is a $5 off coupon if anybody wants to use that. There you go. So let's go ahead and put all of this fun stuff to the side and take a look at the wallet. Now we just open this up right here and we pull the wallet out. Now, the first thing you are greeted with is that incredible leather smell. And that's one thing that Apple's has never had. It's never had that leather smell. I mean, Apple's is real leather, but it's not full grain leather like Andar's is. And it's just, it's plain. It doesn't feel as good. It almost feels like it's not even real leather. Now, I know it is, but definitely does not feel like this. Now, if you know anything about Andar, you know how great their cases feel, how great all of their leather products feel, and this is absolutely no different. First things first, we have to smell it. Yep, smells just like leather. I mean, it's as soon as you open that packaging, it just hits you right in the face, and I absolutely love that. So let's go ahead and take a look around it. Now, this is going to hold 1 to 2 cards, which Andar included here. 2 little paper cards. They're not real cards or anything like that, but they do go in here to, first of all, protect the wallet from like bending or anything while it's in transport, but also I am going to use it for the video. So taking a look, let's actually go ahead and take these out. Taking a look at it right here, you have a nice convenient slot to put the cards into and a nice slot to push your cards out of. So any card that you put in here, whether your driver's license, credit or debit card, business cards, whatever you put in here, very easy to get in and out. And looking at the back, this is where your MagSafe is going to be. And it says Andar, a little bit of branding right there. So pretty nice stitching going all the way around. There's really not too much to talk about with this MagSafe wallet, but let's actually go ahead and weigh the two. So I'm gonna take this little insert out of Apple's and let's see how much they weigh compared to each other. All right, so we'll go ahead and turn on our scale here. Starting off with Apple's MagSafe wallet, we're looking at 33 grams. And comparing that to Andar's the Mag, 44 grams. So this one is a little bit heavier, and it also has stronger magnets in it than Apple's does, which is huge for me because, as you guys know, I'm not a big fan of Apple's MagSafe magnets in the MagSafe wallet, just because they're a little bit weak in my opinion, and Andar definitely solves that issue. So it's a little bit heavier, and based on its feeling, you can definitely feel that it is more premium. And taking a look at both of them, let's set this off to the side here. Taking a look at both of them close up together, here is Apple's right there, and here is Andar's. So very nice looking wallets. Now, I probably should have gotten a different color, but that's all right. Either way, you can definitely tell here, and you can even see some of that leather pattern right there as compared to Apple's, was just smooth, really no details whatsoever, just the Apple logo. So let's go ahead and put our 2 cards in here, which that's how they look right there. And of course, like I said, you can just use this to push them out and get whatever card you need, push the rest back in. There you go. Just take one out, put it back in. And when you're finished with it, just slide that one right back in as well. So let's go ahead and bring over our 15 Pro Max, which by the way, this is the Andar Aspen in the turquoise color. This looks really good. I've been loving this case right here. This turquoise color matches really well with the black titanium. But let's go ahead and test the 2 different in MagSafe. So, of course, with the Apple MagSafe wallet, you are going to get the MagSafe animation because it is OEM Apple technology. So we'll slap the MagSafe one from Apple on first. There we go. Here's our animation. And you can start to kind of move it around, and it does start to slide very quickly. So taking Andar's, That's already a much nicer click. Same pressure, and it's not going anywhere. So this is gonna look really good on all of your Aspens or any of your cases in general. Let's go ahead and bring over a couple of the other Aspens. We'll start off with the jet black one, and we'll put this leather wallet on there. That looks really good right there. Really nice, clean, all black on black combo. Very nice right there. And we'll take over my personal favorite, the technically red, and put that on here. And that's how that's going to look. So the Mag wallet does come in this jet black color, which is obviously what you guys see right here. It comes in brown, navy, camel tan, merlot, moss, sand, stone gray, and technically red. So whichever case you have from Andar, you can definitely get the matching wallet or one that's going to give it a nice contrast like the red on black or even the turquoise on black, which I know the turquoise is a limited color. I'm not 100% sure if it's still in stock on Andar's website, but it will be linked down in the description below. The Andar Aspen case as well as the Mag will both be in the description below. But yeah, all in all, guys, I've really been enjoying this wallet right here. Now, the price on this one is $44. Now, comparing it to the Apple MagSafe wallet, which I know they don't make the leather one, so we'll talk about the price of the fine woven one. And the price on the fine woven one that they have is $60. And you're getting the same two cards that you could put in here. Weaker MagSafe. You know, I know the fine woven texture isn't nearly as nice as leather is, so I've had the fine woven case. I know you guys have seen it on my video. Obviously, it's going to be the same texture as the fine woven case, and to be honest with you, I prefer leather. Even this leather case, like setting Andar's aside, I even prefer the Apple MagSafe leather wallet over the fine woven wallet. Much better than the fine woven wallet, in my opinion. So I really do recommend this, guys, for $44, which, by the way, you guys can use my discount code, which I will leave right there, to save yourself some money from the Mag wallet or any of Andar's other products, such as the Aspen, any of their multiple leather products, which are all great. Save yourself that money. You'll be able to get them from Andar for a little bit cheaper. So yeah, guys, this is it. I mean, this is the Mag wallet. This is going to be my MagSafe wallet, at least my leather MagSafe wallet of choice, especially because sometimes I use this one outside of recording here, and I do find that if it's in my pocket, it'll sometimes, especially if I accidentally, nudge my pants against the wallet, it'll slide right off. So I really do appreciate having that much better MagSafe strength on this one to where it won't slide right off. And of course, just like any other real leather product, Andar's wallet will patina. So you can definitely expect that. Now, I haven't used this enough for it to patina, but if you guys use a leather MagSafe wallet on the daily and you get the Andar Mag wallet, it will absolutely patina and look even better than it does right now. So with all that being said, guys, this is the Mag from Andar. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. Are you interested in one of these? Do you use leather MagSafe wallets? Let me know. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you're interested in seeing my review for the Andar Aspen, I'll leave that right there.